Setting the fabric in an embroidery hoop. Attach a piece of stabilizer to the wrong side of the fabric. Draw center lines on the fabric. Turn the outer hoop lever and remove the inner hoop. Lay the inner hoop and template on the fabric, matching the center lines of the fabric with the template. Push the inner hoop and fabric into the outer hoop. Turn the outer hoop lever halfway in the direction of the arrow and tighten the screw partially with your fingers. Pull the four sides of the fabric to stretch it tight. Turn the outer hoop lever in the direction of the arrow. If the outer hoop lever is difficult to turn in the direction of the arrow, turn the hoop tightening screw in the direction of loose slightly, and turn the outer hoop lever. Be careful not to use force when turning the lever, as this may cause it to break. Tighten the hoop tightening screw with your fingers until it stops. Remove the template. Make sure that the fabric is stretched tightly in the hoop.